Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use custom forms in service menu calendars now. If you haven't used the service menu calendar feature yet within the platform, stick around to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you how to get set up with it. But before that, let me show you exactly how you can implement a custom form within your service menu calendar right now. Now, the purpose of this is to use our service menu calendars here, which you can see in your calendar settings, along with a custom form so we can collect specific amounts of information rather than just the default form. Collecting, name, email, phone number. So if we want to do this, first thing we need to do is create a form, which we are going to do that by going to Sites, and then going to Forms, Builder. And then we can create our service calendar form. I'm going to include the extra fields of what are your social links, the business website. And let's go ahead and ask for an about brand as well. So you see these 3 custom fields. These are now going to be included on our service calendar, but let me show you how to integrate it real quick. We are going to go back. Calendars, and then head to Calendar Settings. This is where we can see our service menu calendar. And right here, we already have one created. We are going to click the 3 dots, click Edit, and then it'll be right here on the first page. You have your form where you can select your service calendar. By doing that, now anybody that wants to book an appointment in this service menu will have to answer those 3 custom questions that we are going to ask. If we back out of this and preview this link, we can see one of our example calendars here. If we click Book, go ahead and go through a couple of steps. And I'll show you how to set this up in a second. Select a time, and then you'll see right here our custom form is embedded within the calendar. Now, if you haven't used the service calendars yet, don't worry. I'll show you all the prerequisites you need to have in order to have it set up. First of all, you need to go to Preferences, and then you'll see this little toggle switch for us to turn on the service menu. Once we know that's on, we can head back to Calendars, and you'll see your service menu right here. If you want to create a new one, all you have to do is click Create, and you'll go to this exact same screen. Now, once you're in your service menu, you'll see a notification that says in order to create your service menu, you need to create calendars and add them to groups. So you can go ahead and go to Calendars, make sure you create calendars with this new service type. So we have our example here, but we're gonna go ahead and create a new one for our service calendar. And we'll click Confirm to create this calendar. Remember, in order to use a service menu, you have to have it within a group. We are gonna move it to our example group. And then you'll see, now we actually have 2 calendars within this example group. If we head to our service menu, whenever you create one, you'll see within the Select Services tab, here we can see our group with both calendars that we have, and we are going to select both of them, and hit Save so that way we can book both of those within the service menu. If we click Save and then go ahead and preview this again. Now, when we check out the service menu, you'll see both of the calendars for the 2 services. We can click either one of them, go through the booking process, and then we'll see at the end of it, that custom form that we made right here with all of the custom fields that we are going to be asking. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use custom forms in service menu calendars. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment or ticket.